In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from Wise to UK bank account. We'll walk through the process from start to finish so you know exactly what to tap, what to enter, and what to double check along the way. First, open Wise on your phone or computer and look at your balances on the home screen. Select the currency you want to send from. This tells Wise which balance you're using and sets up the correct exchange path. If you don't already hold that currency, don't worry. Wise will show you the real exchange rate and fees before you confirm. Next, choose Send. This takes you into the transfer flow. Here's an important detail. Make sure the recipient's currency is set to GBP. This ensures the person in the UK receives British pounds into their bank account, not another currency that could cause extra conversion on their end. You'll see the rate and fees update to reflect a GBP payout. Now enter the amount you want to send. You can type in either what you want to pay or what you want the recipient to receive, and Wise will calculate the rest automatically. Take a second to look at the fee breakdown and the estimated delivery time shown on screen so you know what to expect. When you're ready, tap or click. Add recipient, then choose Enter Bank Details. You'll be asked for the recipient's information. For a UK bank account, enter the account holder's name exactly as it appears on their bank records, the 6-digit UK sort code, and the 8-digit account number. If you prefer, you can enter the IBAN instead. UK IBANs start with GB, and click Continue. Add only accurate details here. Even a small mistake can delay the transfer or send money to the wrong place. You'll then see a review screen. Carefully check the recipient's name, sort code, account number or IBAN, the amount you're sending, the exchange rate if conversion is involved, the fee, and the estimated arrival time. If anything looks off, go back and edit before proceeding. When everything is correct, confirm the transfer. That's it. Wise will process the payment and keep you updated on the status. You can track the transfer in the app or on the website, and the recipient will receive the funds in GBP directly to their UK account. A quick tip before we wrap up, always verify bank details with the recipient from a trusted source, and keep an eye on the review page for fees and timing so there are no surprises. With these steps, sending money from Wise to a UK bank account is straightforward and secure.